What if you can make money from real estate without becoming a real estate agent? You've probably heard people say real estate is one of the best ways to build wealth. But what does real estate investing actually mean? And in today's high interest rate US market, does it still make sense? Let's break it down in simple terms. Real estate investing simply means putting your money into property or investments connected to property with the goal of generating a return. That return can come from rental income, property appreciation, or both. For example, imagine you buy a rental property for $300,000. You rent it to tenants and collect monthly rent. After paying expenses like the mortgage, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and management, whatever is left can become your cash flow. And if the property increases in value over time, you could potentially build additional wealth when you sell. But remember, real estate is not guaranteed profit. There isn't just one way to invest in real estate. Number one, rental properties. You buy a house, apartment, or other property and rent it out. Your goal is to generate cash flow while potentially benefiting from long-term appreciation. Number two, house flipping. You buy a property, renovate it, and attempt to sell it for more than your total investment. But renovation costs, financing costs, and unexpected repairs can quickly reduce your profit. Number three, REITs. A real estate investment trust allows you to invest in companies that own or operate income-producing real estate. And unlike buying an entire property, you can generally buy REIT shares through a brokerage account. Number four, real estate ETFs. Instead of choosing one REIT, an ETF can give investors exposure to a broader group of real estate companies. That can make real estate exposure easier to diversify. So why are investors watching real estate right now? Because the US market is changing. Mortgage rates remain elevated, which makes buying property more expensive. At the same time, home price growth is expected to cool. That creates both challenges and opportunities. Investors are becoming more selective. Instead of simply buying any property, they're paying closer attention to location, cash flow, debt costs, property expenses, rental demand, and long-term growth potential. And some investors are focusing on sectors such as data centers, logistics, residential housing, senior housing, and other infrastructure-related real estate. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking, if the property price goes up, I automatically make money. Not necessarily. A property can increase in value while your cash flow is negative because of mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, repairs, and vacancies. That's why smart investors don't just ask, will this property appreciate? They also ask, does this deal actually make financial sense today? So, in simple words, real estate investing is using money to gain exposure to property and potentially generate income, appreciation, or both. You can invest through rental properties, flipping, REITs, or real estate ETFs. And in today's US market, the key isn't simply buying real estate, it's understanding the numbers before you invest. If you want more simple videos about US investing, stocks, real estate, and building wealth, follow or subscribe. And comment below, would you rather invest in a rental property or REITs?